Hello, wonderful. My name is Max. Welcome back to my channel. This is a channel that we journey together to discover, discuss, and explore the world of fragrances. The journey that we're taking today is from the house of Creed, Green Valley. Now I know this fragrance is discontinued, but there are clone houses out there that copy this fragrance. So I will give you my opinion on if chasing this copy is worth it, or even trying to find you an original bottle. So sit back, relax, grab your credit card, and I will give you my opinion on whether this fragrance or a clone is worth it. So see you on the other side. Game over. This fragrance is discontinued. I don't know why, because it's a lovely fragrance. The springtime is coming, and I think you need to start collecting on your green scents. And Green Valley is a nice green scent. It's a green, fresh scent with top notes of mandarin, orange, bergamot. Mids is ginger, blackcurrant. Base is ambergris and musk. By the way, the clone is from Dua, and the fragrance is called Vert Instinct. At the top, you're gonna get like this leafy accord, kind of mossy. Just imagine walking outside and taking you a green leaf, splitting it down the middle, and smelling it. That's exactly the smell that you're getting. Also at the top, you're gonna get this bright but sour and sweet lemon, almost like that candy lemon head that you get as a kid. Then in the middle, you're gonna get like this sweet ambergris accord that mixes very well with the green leaf and the lemon note. It mixes, and then you're left with the base and the musk. Now this is a very nice green, fresh, spring, maybe even summer type scent. Hey, good looking people. If you like this kind of content, please hit that button down to the right. See that little button down to the right? Probably the bottom right of your screen. Please hit that for me. I love y'all. And we're gonna bring some more of this content. Trust me. Imagine taking 3 of Creed's favorite fragrances before Aventus. You take green Irish tweed, tone down the thickness of it. You add silver mountain water, and then you also add the original vetiver. That is the exact scent that you would get with this fragrance. I know in the old days, Creed used to preach, I don't know, was it on their site, but their fragrance was made to layer. So if you have those fragrances, just imagine layering those 3 fragrances. A very bright green accord with some sour, sweet lemons, and then you're gonna get musk in the base. Now for the quality, I don't think the quality in this fragrance is all that, especially not for the price, but somehow it's a very nice scent for the spring. And if you spray this on, it reminds you of the spring. I mean, you get, it's very green and it's very nice. Originality, I think this is I'm kind of iffy on original. I mean, you're probably not going to smell too many things like it. If you think about combining the 3 fragrances that I talked about, that kind of make it not original. The power and projection on this thing, it's not really gonna radiate off your skin, and it doesn't last long. That's why I say it's really not worth the price. Maybe the clones are worth it, but considering the smell, I would definitely buy one of the clones. It's not gonna last no more than 5 or 6 hours on you. So for this, it smells nice, but not worth the price tag if it's only gonna last about 4 to 5 hours. Seasons, this is definitely a spring scent. Summer, you might have to do a lot of sprays because it sits very close to the skin. Occasion, this is a very casual scent. I mean, you can wear it anywhere, office. I wouldn't dress it up, but it's very versatile because it's very mass appealing. This definitely is a unisex fragrance. think both men and women could wear this because it's just right in the middle. So with that being said, it's definitely a straight unisex. Any gender could wear this. Age, I can see teenagers, older people, women, females. I mean, it really don't matter. It's just that versatile. Price, is it worth it? I'm kind of iffy on this because considering what this costs now, I mean, definitely it's not worth it because it doesn't last long and you sit real close to the skin. A cologne would definitely be worth it because this is a great smelling scent. As for compliments, you would definitely get compliments on this. And I tell you a story. I was riding with my daughter and we was going to get something to eat, and she didn't say anything about the fragrance because I guess she couldn't smell it at the time. But once she got close to me, like within a feet, then she told me how good it smelled. This is the first fragrance, well, one of the first fragrances that she ever complimented me on. So by sitting close to the skin, people will have to come up close vicinity to smell you, but you would definitely get plenty of compliments off of it because it's very mass appealing. Would I recommend it? I would not recommend this particular fragrance because of the skyrocketed price if you can find it. But the cologne, I would definitely recommend this fragrance. Okay guys, I appreciate you for coming by. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Peace.